AI is only as smart as the prompts you give it. Think of it like this. An artist's brush can paint anything, but only if you know how to hold it. That's exactly what prompt training is all about. And today, I want to show you how mastering the art of AI prompting can completely change the way you work, create, and even think. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are incredible, but here's the truth. Without the right prompts, you'll only scratch the surface of what they can actually do. A vague prompt leads to vague results. A precise, detailed prompt can unlock entire blueprints, strategies, and creative ideas you didn't even know were possible. That's why learning the skill of prompting is so valuable. It saves you time, sparks creativity, and gives you answers that feel almost tailor-made. It's like moving from just okay to mind-blowing with the exact same AI tool, simply because you knew how to ask better questions. When you train yourself in AI prompting, you're not just learning a trick, you're building a skill that compounds over time. Imagine generating better content in minutes instead of hours, creating business ideas, marketing copy, or strategies on the fly. Getting AI to not just answer your question, but anticipate the next step you should take. This isn't about knowing what to ask, it's about learning how to ask it. And that little shift in mindset can put you way ahead of people who are still fumbling with one-line prompts and wondering why their AI isn't that impressive. To help you get started, I've put together a free guide, the top 10 AI prompts you need to know right now. These aren't generic write me an email kind of prompts. They're carefully designed to help you unlock deeper, more powerful results, whether you're building a business, creating content, or just trying to get smarter answers out of your AI. You can grab that free guide right now on my Stan store at https://stan.store. Simple A Life. But here's the exciting part. This is just the beginning. Very soon, I'll be launching an exclusive AI community where things go to the next level. Inside this community, you'll get an advanced PDF with 25 exclusive prompts that you won't find anywhere else. Step-by-step how-to tips so you don't just copy prompts, you understand why they work. Direct access to ask your specific how-to questions, so you're never stuck wondering, how do I get AI to do this for me? This community is going to be the place where prompt beginners level up and advanced users sharpen their skills even further. And trust me, it's going to be packed with value. AI is evolving fast, but the people who learn how to train themselves in prompting will always be ahead of the curve. Don't just use AI, learn how to master it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.